watch it all the damn time. Every time I go to one of the parties, all the kids are.
Right.
I got one little gal, she's going to be 4 this year.
Right.
She is so into that damn cell phone. She can watch 3 movies at once in that cell phone. She knows how to put all 3 up on that screen.
Wow.
And then just we were messing with her one night while she was watching something.
Yeah.
For example, and she said, like that, as fast as she could. As soon as it rang, she'd swipe it off. Call right back.
Yeah.
She'd swipe it off. And then she'd say, gosh darn it, who's ever calling you, Grandpa? They gotta quit. You're interfering with my movies.
Wow.
It's like, really, Noah?
Yeah.
She's just a kick in the ass, but she knows everything about that damn phone.
Yeah. Right.
But she rides bikes. She rides motorcycles.
That maybe there's a balance. And I used to do like some computer games. I don't know how to explain it, but like with my dad too. My dad was a race car driver. So
Yeah, I was coming right down the runway.
Stuff. And so I kind of was like, hey, I can go do stupid stuff. And then so playing video games actually helped me. Some hyper, and it was like reaction stuff. But back then, video games were different. But then I got out of it young, and then I got into the.
My favorite was.
Well, I truly believe like you don't even know what movies are going to do to us. Like they're saying, when you watch a movie, you're having that experience. So if you watch a movie of war, if you're a veteran, you might rehab that experience. Cell phones are like 20 years old. We don't even know what they're going to do to us. Racing in cars, I think, has gone on for at least 200 years. You know what I mean? I bet you. Ever since there was a horse, yeah, there was a race. Then it came into a car. You know what I'm saying? Like, so I feel that like humans have tried this whole thing a lot longer with that, and I want to get him into something that is a little more proven. You know?
I'm surprised you don't get him a little dirt bike over the track.
I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about getting it. We're getting used one.
They make training wheels for them.
Yeah.
A lot of the kids out playing motorcycles. Well, they look just like a bicycle training wheel.
Yeah.
But they keep them about that far off the ground on each side.
Yeah.
Just to help them sort of stabilize.
Mind your way. Mind your way.
Yeah.
When they stop.
Yeah. Right. I'm gonna set it up for 15 minutes. This is what is coming up in my brain because I rode dirt bikes. Have you guys met the man who runs this track?
I haven't met him.
I've met him.
I know someone who knows.
People say he's nice. He's a good dude.
Yeah, he's a good guy.
Yeah, a good dude. I would go and officiate. He wanted to have an AMA race, and I would go and help like officiate a corner.
That's because we didn't have ours this year.
Oh, where do you have yours?
29 Palms, the Grand Prix Arena.
Oh, I see.
No toppers club.
Oh, yeah. I see.
All right, let's try this again.
Yeah, because this one's got a caster and tail wheel. I can't exactly see it.
Well, I'll hold on to it.